Hello and welcome to another product video. So today we're going to be looking at the WatchGuard Cloud solution. So we have done another video on this previously which goes fully in depth, but today we're just going to show you the quick overview of what you can actually see and what you can actually do with some light configuration and actually upgrading a firewall live today in front of you. So as you can see, we've got our license details, so we see we're valid for 30 months and when it next expires, and that's actually on our Purdicom WatchGuard, our production firewall. We can see the total number of active devices in our account, as well as our total security package. But we can then also see as a global, all the devices that have actually been, what they're doing. So we can see the web blocker, intrusion prevention, any malware that we've blocked over the last 7 days, as well as our botnet detection and how many scans we've blocked or detected. So if I go straight to the device firmware, so we've got a firewall that needs to be upgraded to the latest version. So I've got two options here. I can either upgrade to the latest version on the U1 image, or you can upgrade to the latest version, which is 12.5.3 at the time of this video. So I'm going to click Next. I'm going to select the Purdicom WatchGuard, so it's actually our warehouse WatchGuard at the moment. I'm going to click Next again. Now, I'm not going to click Upgrade now, because there's obviously people working, but I'm going to schedule it for later on. So I'm going to do it for today, but I'm going to do it for, let's go for 11 o'clock tonight, or 11:03, let's be picky. And then I'm going to set my time zone, so Europe, London, and then I'm going to click Next. So now it's going to say, are you sure? So one devices will be upgraded. It's this device here that I've named. It's going to be upgraded to this firmware, and it's going to be done at this time. So now I'm just going to click Save. So now I know that at 11:03 tonight, my firewall is going to be upgraded, and I don't have to do a single thing other than check it in the morning and make sure that it's happy with that upgrade. So what I can then do, now that I've looked at the monitoring, is I can actually go to Configure. So if I click on Configure, and I'm going to pick on our M270, so we can see the logging's been enabled. I can remove the device, I can reboot the device if I wish to do so. I can look at the model name, the version of code, the uptime, the expiration. But what I can also do is look at the backup settings. So you do need to be on a minimum version of 12.5.1, I believe, to do this. But you can actually add a backup schedule and say, I would like to create a backup name and give it this. What this then allows you to do is actually click on this image and download it. So we can't download that, we can't restore to that version because it's actually lower than 12.5.2. But if it wasn't, we could actually do a backup on that. So if I look at other firewalls, I might be able to do so. So look at our UTM here, our warehouse WatchGuard. Just going to let it load and load the backups. And there is one. So what I can do is I can actually add a backup. So it's now going to perform a backup for me. But the idea behind this is that you can actually restore the versions of the backups and go backwards as well as forwards if you need to and revert. So it's a really powerful tool. And at the end here, I can restore, remove if I wish to do so. So thank you for watching.